we should know very well that out of this huge number of governors and governor generals, what governors and governor generals are relevant for the exam and to be focused. Take a look. This is a list of governors and governors general. And this list is comprehensive. Comprehensive in the sense, all that what you need focus for the exam. Here the number 1, Duplay, is the only one which is French. And all the rest, 2 to 12, they're all British. Number 1, Duplay, I have inserted into this list because he played an important role representing French in India, and he played also important role in French colonization in India, and he also played important role in French fight with the British. So a question may be there. 2 to 12, they're all British. Second is Clive. Third, Warren Hastings. Fourth, Cornwallis. Fifth, Hastings. Warren Hastings and Hastings are two different personalities. 6, William Bentinck. 7, Dalhousie. 8, Lytton. 9, Ripon. 10th, Curzon. 11th, Wavell. And 12th, Mountbatten. Among 2 to 12, the first was the governor of Bengal. Warren Hastings initially was governor of Bengal. Later, he became Governor General of Bengal. Okay. And then Cornwallis onwards, all are either Governor Generals of Bengal or Governor General of India. And how this happened, Governor of Bengal to Governor General of Bengal, finally to Governor General of India. This is the subject of discussion, and that I would be doing in the subsequent lecture. But meanwhile, you should have the idea that Clive was Governor of Bengal, Warren Hastings was initially Governor of Bengal, later he became Governor General of Bengal, and then Cornwallis to Mountbatten, they were all either Governor General of Bengal or Governor General of India. And one brief information, 1833, there was an act, Charter Act 1833. This act created the office of Governor General of India. So in a very simple way you can understand. The personalities here, those who worked 1833 onwards, they were Governor General of India. So very simple way you can understand that William Bentinck, because Hastings period is 1813 to 1823. So William Bentinck was the first Governor General of India. So through this brief information, the concept becomes even more clear. Now you understand that Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of Bengal. Cornwallis was Governor General of Bengal. Hastings, Governor General of Bengal. But William Bentinck was the first Governor General of India. And Dalhousie onwards, that is Dalhousie, Lytton, Ripon, Curzon, Wavell and Mountbatten, they were all Governor Generals of India. And one more thing important here, 1858 onwards, the Governor General of India given a new title, Viceroy. So 1858 onwards, the Governor General of India, also known as Viceroy. So 1858 onwards, if you consider, so that would be 8 to 12. So 8 to 12 represent Viceroy. Viceroy is represented a representative of British Crown in India. So from examination standpoint, these 1 to 12 are the only personalities representing governors or governors generals relevant for the exam. No one else, nobody else.